Hey guys, welcome to DIY Laine. We are in day 3 of our 12 DIYs for Christmas. If you haven't watched the day 1 and day 2 in this series, please check the link in the description box and in the iCard. In today's video, we will be putting a twist in your typical Christmas wreath. Because why not? Seeing Christmas decorations during this time of pandemic gives us a hint of joy and hope. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new upload. For the materials, we will need a rattan hoop that is 12 inches in diameter. We will also need some faux leaves and artificial fruits. The next material that we will need is a ribbon of your choice. And then we will need some twine and a glue gun with a glue stick. The first step is to lay down your hoop and plan out where you want each one of your leaves to be placed. I started laying the lavender leaves, and as you can see, I am creating an asymmetrical look and leaving the center empty. Then I will tie these leaves to the hoop using some twine. I also secure the branches of the leaves by tying it with twine. The next step is to plan out where you want the pine leaves to be placed. Then, attach the pine leaves to the hook using some hot glue. This is how it should be looking right now. Grab your ribbon, tie it to your hand loosely around 3 times, then find the center and tie it with some twine. Attach it to the hoop using the excess twine. Then make another ribbon, attach it to the hoop using some hot glue, but this time in an opposite direction. To add another subtle touch of red, we will attach the artificial fruits. I think this is an apple, but you can also use some holly berries if that is available in your place. Then you can hang it on your wall using some twine. And there you have it, the easiest decoration so far. I wanted it to be in minimalist Scandinavian style, that's why we used some woods and leaves. I also wanted it to be festive, that's why we add some ribbon and some fruits for a subtle touch of red. I honestly love the outcome of this DIY, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on my social media pages. Happy holidays, guys!